This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Susan.challender. Sold as package only, 4 parcels ID number 27,748,400, Chase Street, number 27,748,500, W.S. O'Keefe, 27,728,185 O'Keefe, 27,732,150 to 1836 Church Street. Qualified buyers only. Great historical history, 1886 original trolley repair station, later used as horse stables for Norfolk police, original arched windows plus beams, 2 overhead cranes, property fronts Church Street backs to Chase Street, fronts west side of O'Keefe. Currently restaurant equipment warehouse, business plus inventory sale separate.